Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. My name is Saurabh Bhagat. Basically, I am from Gondia, but now I am living in Pune. Currently, I am pursuing in Q Spider Vakad for web development course. And I joined my classes in Q Spider August of 2020. From day 1 to till now, I learned so many things related to study, related to how to sustain in IT field, related to presentation, and related to mocks. And it was my great experience and whenever we had any problem, whatever kind of problem, like related to requirements, related to interviews, whatever related to study, whatever kind of problem, that time all the trainers and all the HR staffs always ready to help, and they are always solved to that problem like their own problems. I am very glad that I am student of a Q Spider Vakad Pune. And Abhishek sir are having a very much helpful nature. Vijay sir also are having very much helpful nature. They are always help to students related any kind of they are if student are had any problem, any kind of problem related to requirements and related to interview, they are always ready to solve that problem. They are used to solve that problem like their own problems. And whenever we had any problem related to core Java and related to study, that time I am the student of Hemendra sir. So Hemendra sir is also having very much kind nature, helpful nature, and they are always used to solve our students' problems. There I am very much glad to I am the student of a Q Spider, and all of the non-teaching staff, teaching staff always ready to help student, and that is very much good thing in Q Spider Vakad. And I'm very happy with Q Spider. And at the end, as I want to express my some points for some students. If you want to join Q Spider, so don't think about that I'm the below of 60 throughout 60, and I am having mechanical branch, non IT branch. That is not a thing. That thing is not good for you. And if you want to do and how if you want to do and you want to switch in IT field, that time as I my experience, I told you that you join the Q Spider, and day by day you know that how to sustain in IT field. And that is very much helpful for you. That is. And at the end, I am also having throughout I am also not having throughout 60 degree, and I am also from mechanical branch. But now at the end I got a select in Capgemini MNC company. That is very much good company, and that is I am the best of the example of that. So that is good for students, and learn from that feedback. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity.